Hello everyone, welcome to Good Guide Show of ABC Magical World. I'm Amanpreet Singh Arora, CEO of ABC Magical World. So today we'll be talking about some skin problems in children. For that we have a renowned dermatologist of Ludhiana, Dr. Vidushi Singhal, as a good guide. So Dr. Vidushi is a practicing dermatologist and aesthetic laser physician in Ludhiana. She has her own clinic by the name of Orthoderma in Sabanagar. Earlier, she was working as assistant professor in DMC Ludhiana. She loves her work and aesthetics is her passion. So, welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Ma'am, as I told that we'll be talking about some general problems of skin in the children. So, I'll be asking you a few questions related to that.
Right.
We have seen that there are sometimes there are white spots in children. So, in the face. So, what is the reason and what should be done for that?
Sir, actually, these white spots, a very common misconception is that these white spots are due to calcium deficiency. पर ये कैल्शियम डेफिशिएंसी से नहीं होते. इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एक्जिमा इन चिल्ड्रन. इसको हम लोग पिट्रियासिस एल्बा कहते हैं. एंड fortunately, it's a very simple disease to treat. We just need to give the patient a mild steroid or a steroid sparing agent like tacrolimus. But personally, in my practice, I do like to give the child a multivitamin syrup, which they need to take for about a month or 2 months. This gives me an opportunity to tell the parents about good nutrition in children. Because वो एक white spot देख के उनको लगता they are more receptive to nutritional advice from a dermatologist. So I do tend to give a multivitamin syrup for a month. Otherwise, अगर आप नहीं भी कुछ करते, if you just look after the diet of the child and apply a good quality cold cream 2 times a day, this is self-limiting disease. 2 या 3 महीने में it's going to end, but it tends to come back. जब भी season change होगा, especially now from winters to summer, this disease is going to come back in the child for a few years. फिर ये अपने आप पूरा ठीक हो जाती है. And if the child has dandruff, तो anti dandruff shampoo जरूर use करने चाहिए if associated with this disease.
Okay. Ma'am, like weather is changing and there are a lot of mosquitoes also, right? So what about
Right.
right? So what about this infection from this mosquito bites and what is the prevention and what is the treatment for that?
हाँ जी सर. See, बच्चों में mosquito bites, it doesn't lead to an infection. It leads to a very increased form of allergy, which is known as a hypersensitivity reaction. So उनमें क्या है? It is better to prevent this hypersensitivity reaction by preventing the mosquito bites. तो वो हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? Like जैसे अगर हमारे घर के आसपास कहीं कोई stagnant water है, जैसे coolers में पानी है, तो वो हमें हटाना है, so that there is no ground for the mosquitoes to breed. We can also use the mosquito repellent sprays. And for the children, 2 times in a day, we need to apply coconut oil या badam rogan oil भी आप लगा सकते हैं. Once in the morning after they've had a bath and once in the evening before they go out to play. It is said that coconut oil itself is known to repel mosquitoes. ठीक है जी. एंड जब बच्चे इवनिंग में बाहर खेलने जा रहे हैं तो उस टाइम पे उनको फुल स्लीव्स की क्लोथिंग और फुल पजामा पहन के, सो दैट वी कवर द बॉडी पार्ट्स एंड दस प्रिवेंट द मॉस्किटो बाइट्स फ्रॉम हैपनिंग. और अगर ये मॉस्किटो बाइट्स हो जाती हैं, देन वी हैव टू ट्रीट विद सिंपल थिंग्स लाइक कैलामीन लोशन और एंटी एलर्जिक सिरप्स, जैसे कि लीवोसिट्राजीन का सिरप हम देंगे तो द चाइल्ड विल बी मोर कंफर्टेबल. अगर बहुत ज्यादा इरिटेशन है या बर्निंग है तो वी कैन डू आइसिंग ऑल्सो. It's a simple thing to treat, but it's always better to protect the child and prevent this disease from happening.
Like what? So ma'am, एक हम लोग देख रहे हैं like children getting white hair in this very young age. So what is the reason of that and how it can be treated?
So the main reason for white hair in young children, in fact, हम लोग देखते हैं 4 years, 5 years के बच्चे आते हैं with white hair. This is a nutritional problem, sir. It is because of anemia, because of vitamin B12 deficiency, because of vitamin D deficiency. So nutrition is the main thing. अगर हम बच्चे कि खाने पीने उसके न्यूट्रिशन पे ध्यान देंगे, then this is a very easily preventable disease. Yes, definitely there is a genetic component also. but nutrition plays a very important role. Genetics के लिए तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, but we can make sure that the child is eating healthy. And especially now during lockdown, you know, when the entire family is home and all of us are looking after what the child eats, कुछ you know, ऐसा नहीं है कि parents नहीं हैं or they are working, so child is eating whatever he or she wants. So this is a very, very good time where we can introduce healthy eating habits into our children. एंड अगर विटामिन डी के सोर्सेज जैसे कि डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स, जैसे कि मशरूम्स, ब्रोकली, हम लोग उनकी उसमें डालते हैं उनकी डाइट में, आयरन सोर्सेज जैसे कि ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, काले चने, गुड़, ये हम उनको देते हैं। एंड विटामिन बी के सोर्सेज जो कि आइदर नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड से आते हैं, वेजिटेरियन फूड में वेरी लेस सोर्सेज, ओनली प्रोबेबली मशरूम्स हम लोग उनको दे सकते हैं, नहीं तो वी कैन गिव देम मल्टीविटामिन सिरप्स। So this is very important कि उनका nutritional component बिल्कुल ठीक होना चाहिए। Another cause for white hair in children is thyroid disorders. So अगर family में या parents में किसी को thyroid की problem है और हमें लग रहा है कि you know the child is gaining too much weight या कोई और problem हमें indicate कर रही है कि उसको एक thyroid disorder है, तो we should get that checked. Otherwise, calcium की tablets, एक special kind of calcium pantothenate की tablets आती हैं, that is what we prescribe to the children, and this tablet can be taken for up to 3 months. Unfortunately, जो बाल white हो चुके होते हैं, we cannot bring back color in those, but we can prevent further hair from going white.
मैम एक लाइक बच्चों की जैसे स्किन इज वेरी सेंसिटिव, राइट? So what should they apply for general skin care?
सर बच्चों का स्किन केयर वी शुड कीप वेरी सिंपल। एक ऑयल रखें, यू कैन यूज सिंपल बेबी प्रोडक्ट्स, किसी भी कंपनी का यू कैन बाय। ऐसा नहीं है दैट यू ओनली नीड टू बाय वेरी एक्सपेंसिव बेबी प्रोडक्ट्स। एंड आई पर्सनली रेकमेंड कि नहाने के बाद वी शुड अप्लाई एन ऑयल टू द चाइल्ड्स बॉडी। We can either use coconut oil. Personally, I find it much more preferable as compared to other oils. But if the child is able to tolerate the smell, sometimes it happens also, then we can use olive oil or badam rogan. And during the day, we can use a more simple moisturizer. रात को सोने से पहले we can use a simple moisturizer. And कभी आपको लगे तो you can give them a bath using कच्चा दूध। दूध को थोड़ा सा पानी कर सकते हैं, जैसे नहाने की बाल्टी के पानी में थोड़ा सा डाल लें। The lactic acid is a good cleansing agent. It's a moisturizing agent also. Plus it's a kind of whitening agent जिसको हम कहते हैं। बट बियॉन्ड दिस कोई ज्यादा स्किन केयर की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है बच्चों को।
मैम एक और बहुत कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है हेयर फॉल की, तो व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट फॉर दैट?
सर डेफिनेटली ओनली एंड ओनली न्यूट्रिशन। लाइक आई सेड, उनका खाना इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट। आयरन, प्रोटीन, विटामिन डी, ये सारे बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स होते हैं जहां से आपके बाल हेल्दी होंगे। सो इफ योर डाइट इज हेल्दी, योर बॉडी इज गोइंग टू गेट दैट मच न्यूट्रिशन फ्रॉम द डाइट, और वही न्यूट्रिशन फिर आपके बालों में भी ट्रांसफर होगी। So if the child is having a hair fall, I only and only advise improving the nutrition, because जो hair fall के लिए tablets हैं, they are too big. It's very difficult for a child to take them. So we generally try to give a multivitamin. More than a multivitamin, I only advise improving the nutrition of the child. Definitely, अगर एक बच्चे में thyroid disorders हैं या कोई और skin के disorders हैं, जैसे कि alopecia areata, that needs specific treatment from a dermatologist. But अगर seasonal hair fall हो रहा है, then we only and only need to correct the nutrition of the child. And plus, we also need to make sure that the child's scalp is healthy. हफ्ते में 2 या 3 बार wash कीजिए। कई बार आते हैं कि they don't get time during school days to wash their hair. That also can lead to build-up of a lot of dirt and oil around the hair follicles. उससे भी बाल झड़ सकते हैं. So cleanliness is also very, very important.
Ma'am, hair fall के साथ one more thing is that dandruff is a very big problem. So what do you suggest for that? Which oil should we use or what can be done for that thing?
हाँ जी, सबसे पहले तो सर, if the child is having dandruff, then we must stop applying any kind of oil. नहाने से पहले भी मत अप्लाई कीजिए। If the nutrition of the child is good, then बाल already अच्छे होंगे, they will not need any oil to nourish it. ठीक है जी, बिकॉज डैंड्रफ इटसेल्फ इज प्योर ऑयल, तो हम जितना ऊपर से ऑयल लगाएंगे वो दिखना बंद हो जाएगा, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज गोइंग टू कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग। तो वो हमें बंद करना है सबसे पहले। एंड वी कैन यूज एनी सिंपल एंटी डैंड्रफ शैम्पू विच कंटेन्स निजराल, like Nizral, जो कि कीटोकोनाजोल बेस्ड शैम्पूज होते हैं फॉर द चिल्ड्रन 2 times in a week. अगर आपको लगता है that the child's scalp is getting very sweaty, then 3 times हम उसको wash कर सकते हैं, but 2 times usage of an anti-dandruff shampoo in a week is good enough. अगर आप oil बंद रखेंगे 50% of the problem gets settled there only. Definitely, अगर वो problem settle नहीं हो रही, if the child is uncomfortable, if the child is itching the scalp, then we need to give medicated lotions.
मैम एक और चीज आई वांट टू क्लियर कि लाइक बच्चों के लिए यूजिंग सनस्क्रीन इज सेफ और नॉट, whether they should apply or not.
Sir, I don't recommend. Less than 18 years, I don't recommend using the sunscreen. I think already as Indians, you know, we are genetically prone to vitamin D deficiency. और हमारे बच्चे बाहर खेलते भी बहुत कम है these days, you know, because of their school and other schedules. So I personally advise not to use any sunscreen. जितना possible हो सके, our skin should be able to get vitamin D from the sun. But of course, if a child is into competitive sports, then they may need to use.
Okay.
But otherwise, tanning is a very protective mechanism of the skin. It protects our skin from skin cancers. So इसलिए we should not worry about the tan. हफ्ते में एक बार, I think mothers can apply Upton for tan removal in children, but sunscreens I like to avoid.
अब मैम अगर यूज करना हो सनस्क्रीन तो which sunscreen should be used?
We have medicated sunscreens for especially kids. These are mineral based sunscreens, और जिसको हम physical sunscreen कहते हैं. They have mineral ions in them. They form a layer on the skin without getting into the skin. मतलब कि वो physically skin को protect करते हैं from the sun. I think a physical sunscreen is better than a chemical sunscreen for children, because इसमें कुछ भी अंदर नहीं जा रहा. Something like zinc oxide या iron oxide होता है, which just forms a layer on the skin and acts as a physical protectant. So अगर use करना है, then we can use a physical sunscreen. Otherwise, it's better to avoid.
Thank you. What is solution for this prickly heat?
Prickly heat is mainly because of sweating. Sweat glands की ये है problem. So if possible, we should keep the child in an AC room या well ventilated room ताकि extra sweating हम avoid कर पाएं. And we just have to apply calamine lotion या other soothing lotions ताकि बच्चे को itching और scratching ना हो. And we can give the child a high dose of vitamin C, like 500 milligrams or 1 gram of vitamin C can be given for a few days to the child. This will help treat the prickly heat. But if possible, we should try and avoid it. एक तो cotton के clothes, we should make the child wear only and only cotton clothes. Synthetics, dry fits, वो हमें avoid करने चाहिए in this season.
And ma'am, please suggest like is talcum powder safe for children?
हाँ जी सर, talcum powders are safe, ऐसा नहीं है. But the only thing is we have to make sure कि when we are applying the talcum powder, the child's body is dry. अगर body wet होगी, especially body folds, जैसे कि underarms में अगर आप लगा रहे हैं, and that area is already wet, तो फिर क्या होगा, skin में friction का chance बढ़ जाता है, which can lead to redness, itching in that area. So we just have to make sure that the body is dry. You can use medicated powders. They are finer than the cosmetic powders, talcum powders, which are available in the market.
Ma'am, suggest some good cream or lotion for children.
For children, sir, any simple cold cream जो आप use करते हैं, you can use that. Amongst the children's brands, sir, Sebamed, body care, mother care के जो lotions हैं, Himalaya, they are all safe for children. In case you want definitely only a medicated lotion, so then an oilatum cream, oilatum soap, oilatum lotions आते हैं. It's a GSK company, अच्छी company है, and the products are very very safe, and children's acceptability to these products is very good because they are not sticky. Generally बच्चों को लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा अगर आपने sticky cream लगाई, they try to avoid it, या coconut oil they try to avoid. So oilatum products are good products for children.
मैम एक like parents को देख करके बच्चों को बहुत रहता है कि they should also use the perfumes. How safe it is, whether they should use perfumes or not?
Sir, actually perfumes have a tendency to cause allergy. Skin पे allergy कर सकते हैं. So frankly, if you ask my opinion, जहाँ तक हम avoid कर पाए, वहाँ तक we should avoid perfumes.
I'll ask a question related to our profession. कि sometimes children have to wear the makeup wishfully or sometimes due to school functions and all. It is very unavoidable sometimes. So what should be done for that and what precautions should be taken for that?
So for that, what we can do is first apply a thick layer of cream to the child's face. ठीक है जी, वो एक protectant का काम करेगा. And then probably अगर makeup करना है तो we can use a lipstick या lip stain on the lips and also on the cheeks. And we can try and avoid the full base. और अगर बिल्कुल करना ही है then we can use mineral compacts जो skin के ऊपर रहते हैं और medicated compacts. We have a lot of medicated compacts also available. We can जैसे आप बता रहे हैं कि because of school functions sometimes the children have to avoid. So what we can do is we can apply thick layer of cold cream on the child's face. ठीक है जी, that will act as a base or a protectant for the child's skin. उसके ऊपर if we have to use any cosmetics, maybe we can use a lipstick जो lips पे भी चल रहा है and it can work on the cheek as a cheek stain also. I think preferably हमें avoid करना चाहिए जो thick हमारे foundations होते हैं या bases होते हैं, concealers, things of that kind, that should be avoided. In case you feel कि बिल्कुल ही नहीं we can avoid, then you can use mineral compacts या medicated compacts. We have a lot of good medicated compacts which come with a sunscreen. So एक extra added protection हो जाएगी against the color in the cosmetics. So if the child just cannot avoid, then probably these compacts can be used as a base, and then lipsticks can be applied. But or ज़्यादा extensive cosmetic use definitely should be avoided.
Thank you, ma'am. So at last, except just children, some tips for young mothers and fathers also.
Regarding skincare,
Yeah, regarding skincare.
so personally, I feel that इस time पे and coming 2 to 3 weeks, we are all still at home as a family unit. So सबसे पहले we should look after what we eat. If the parents are going to eat healthy in front of the children, then the children are automatically going to get these habits. So abhi everybody is there. I'm sure meal times pe sab बैठते हैं एक table पे to eat together. So the most important thing is to eat healthy. Because they say that your body is what you eat. Your skin, your hair, your body, everything depends on what you eat. The second thing that I think this is a good time to teach our children is how to exercise. क्योंकि normally इतनी classes हैं schools के बाद एक दो तीन चार classes, the children do not get time to exercise or to play. So maybe we can take up a new game with the children, teach them how to play badminton or maybe tennis. This will inculcate a feeling of togetherness in the family, plus release a lot of happy hormones called endorphins. So it leads to a lot of bonding and obviously health. And जब ये हो चुका है, the entire family has looked after, then simple things for your skincare. Adults must wear sunscreen. चाहे वो ladies हैं, चाहे वो gents हैं, चाहे वो घर पे हैं during the lockdown. I think sunscreen is very important for adults. And for children, I think if you are happy as a couple, your children are going to be happier children.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Doctor, for being good guide of the day. And I hope it is going to help a lot to the parents and the children as well. So, parents, thank you very much for watching us. Stay home, stay healthy, and stay fit. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.